Well, hello everyone. This is the music video for Torie and Luke's wedding for the line dance, for the family dance. So this video, we're gonna walk out the steps really quickly, and then in the next video, we are going to add the music. So if you already know the steps, feel free to hop on over to the next video. But first of all, we're just gonna walk it through. I'll face you first, and then I'm gonna turn around and do it. So really quickly, it's a 32 count for the most part. There's a few added things in there. So, but for the most part, it's a 32 count. So the first 4 counts, you're gonna start off on your right foot and you're gonna walk forward, 1, 2, 3, together. And you're gonna go to the left, 1, 2, 3, together. Back, 1, 2, 3, together. Turn, 1, 2, 3, together. Then you're gonna step, touch, step, together. And then you're gonna do a triangle, 1 with the right foot, 2, 3, 4. And then you're gonna kind of bring your feet together and touch out, kind of a little lunge, and then touch to the other side. And then you're gonna point, back, point, and turn. That's the 32 counts. So now we're gonna face that way and do it again. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk forward, 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3, together. Step, touch, triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, point, 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 turn. And then you do it all over. So let's, I think I'm gonna do one more video with it a little slower, turned that way. So we'll pause this one and do another video.